What's good, Era Gang? It's your girl Era, and I am back with another video. So today's video, we're doing a flip unboxing, as you can see. And yeah, we're gonna see what's inside this box, and let's get started. Hard to open up. Okay. As soon as you open it up, it looks like this. And it comes with a little pamphlet. Tells you everything. Comes with a little sticker. Comes with a return label if you want to return stuff that you don't like. And then it comes with all the stuff that is inside the box with a little pamphlet. Alright, let's see what I got. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this e.l.f. Skin Hint Kit. So this is something I'm going to be trying out and seeing if I like it. If I do like it, I'm going to be posting about it in my next video. So let's look out for that. The next thing I have is this cleansing serum, which I don't remember doing. It's a hydrating face mask, my bad. So it is a hydrating face cream from e.l.f. Got that off of Flip. And then I got Miss Tracy Ellis Ross Patterns collection. It is a 3-piece collection. It is called the Curl Cocktail Kit. And it comes with a leave-in conditioner, a styling cream, and a styling gel. And it looks like this. It's nice little packaging, this little carry-on little thing. Okay, so the next thing I got is this body wash from Pacifica. It's in strawberry. Let me see. Oh, it smells so good. You can smell it through the thing right here. Alright, so the next thing that I got is this Tangle Teaser brush. Now I want to try this out on my hair because I have 4C to 4-3 hair. And it gets really thick, so I want to try this brush out and see if that works. And I'll test it out and show you a video on that. Alright, the next thing is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Leave-In Conditioner. This is what I'm going to do a video on next. I'm going to see if this product works, and if it doesn't, we'll see. Next little thing I have is an eyeshadow palette from IBY Beauty. And everybody will be linked down below. It is a 12 eyeshadow palette, and it's in the name of the eyeshadow palette is called City Limits, so very nice. Next thing I got is the Curl Talk foam from Not Your Mother's. It is a styling foam, so I'm going to try this out and see how it does with my curls. See if it makes it crunchy, makes it soft, makes it smooth. See how that works. Alright, and then I have a mascara that I wanted to try out from e.l.f. So let's see if this is a dupe for anything else that I have in my makeup collection. I really want to try this and see if it works. And I think this is the last thing. Which is the Curl Talk Defining Cream from Not Your Mother's. I have heard a lot of reviews about this. This is really good, so I'm gonna see if it really helps my curls and defines them and stuff like that. And that's it. Okay guys, so that was the end of today's video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below what was your favorite part of the video. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!